Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the flat earth myth. The flat earth model is an archaic and scientifically disproven conception of earth's shape as a plane or disk. Many cultures subscribe to a flat earth cosmography, including Greece until the classical period, the Bronze Age and the Iron Age civilization of the Near East until the Hellenistic period. The ancient Egyptians and the Mesopotamians were probably the first to believe that the world was a flat surface. The idea of a flat circular earth was common in the ancient world, but once the Greeks, though certainly with Ptolemy, devised the technology necessary to measure the latitude, longitude and climes, the flat earth thesis began to diminish. However, most pre-Socrates retained the flat earth model. In early 4th century BC, Plato wrote about a spherical earth. By about 330 BC, his former student Aristotle had provided strong empirical evidence for a spherical earth. Knowledge of the earth's global shape gradually began to spread beyond the Hellenistic world. In early Egyptian and Mesopotamian thought, the world was portrayed as a disk floating in the ocean. The poets, both Homer and Hesiod, described a disk cosmography on the shield of Achilles. The ancient Norse and Germanic people believed in a flat earth cosmography with the earth surrounded by an ocean, with the axis mundi, a world tree, or a pillar in the center. Beginning in the 19th century, a historical myth arose which held that the predominant cosmological doctrine during the Middle Ages was that the earth was flat. An early proponent of this myth was the American writer Washington Irving, who maintained that Christopher Columbus had to overcome the opposition of churchmen to gain sponsorship for his voyage of exploration. Later, significant advocates of this view were John William Draper and Andrew Dickson White, who used it as a major element in their advocacy of the thesis. In 1956, Samuel Shenton set up the International Flat Earth Research Society, better known as the Flat Earth Society, from Dover, England, as a direct descendant of the Universal Celtic Society. In the internet era, the availability of communications technology and social media like YouTube, Facebook and Twitter have made it easy for individuals, famous or not, to spread disinformation and attract others to the erroneous ideas, including that of the flat earth.